believe it or not, I sell a ton of berries at my place in town, and we're known for berries. My brother-in-law's Bobby Farmers from Plain City. They finished up yesterday. Done very well. There's a few. This rain got me. Then we're about done anyway. California. No, white side. So I still